Do you know who that is? Do ya? Now do you know where we are? This is the Bob's Big Boy coffee shop and drive-in. Makes me wonder if they would serve here at this area. Looks like it, right? Like maybe people in roller skate coming out to take your order, and then you eat in the car. And that, my friends, is the Bob that got decapitated. Looks like he's been fixed. So come on, let's go take a look.
It's that one.
Oh, that's why I was like, how did he get decapitated? He's so far up. Okay, this one. Let's go look. All right, let's go take a look at the decapitation, or the area where he would have been. Oh, it's perfect.
The back of his head, it was all open here.
Oh, it was all open, the whole back.
Well, up to about here.
But they've done a nice job. Who knows? Maybe it's a brand new Bob.
No, they fixed it up.
They fixed it up.
Yeah.
So the car must have come this way. Some got into an accident, hit something, part flew off, somehow got behind Bob and hit him on the head, on the back of the head, and crashed him. Go figure. All right, so on the sign outside it says home of the original double-decker burger. And so there it is, the original double-decker burger. Pretty hefty looking. Cost 15 something with a side of fries. I swapped some with my husband for onion rings, and a side salad. So there you go. We owe it to you, Bob. There's an old jukebox here too. Next time we'll have to play it. Yeah. Okay. Talking to the camera. Yes, so it was a car hop plateau, parade, or whatever you call it, parking area. And the car hops would bring your food out and you'd eat in your car. Because everybody loves to eat in the car in California. Bob's drive-thru.